Crucial update for the VIP for Bitcoin Spike Rising Wedge. We talked about it multiple times. We've fallen out 2 to 3% since yesterday's video and live stream. Bam, rising wedge. Talking about a bull trap. Talking about fake out, etc. Guys, very important to stay in tune in terms of the those live streams, etc. We talk about a lot of good things. Yesterday we were looking for a launch pad. I said, when's the launch pad? When are we going to go up? And I told you guys, no, we need to set targets below. It's time to set targets below. To anyone who did, congratulations. Way to go, VIP restricted zone. Shout out to Pathfinder, to Slim, to Craig, to AJ Crypto, guys, longest VIP around, and Luke, etc. I'll say Angel, number one VIP, status on top, $58,500 overall contribution. Shout out Angel. Much love. Hope you're doing well, brother. In terms of this specific feature here of the rising wedge, we were really caught, and I want to discuss this just in a moment here. In terms of the bullish nature that we were trying to express, this specific descending triangle. You guys know we were trying to break out of a normally bearish pattern. Unfortunately, normally a bearish pattern, the descending triangle. We were trying to break out of it with a bearish pattern. So to the extent that that's comfortable for the market, for the bulls, I think Angel said, where are the bulls at? Unfortunately, the bulls were stuck in a rising wedge, okay? A rising wedge, a bearish pattern, after we're trying to beat an already bearish pattern. So yes, we could have done it, but the probabilities would have been that we would break down, which is why I gave the warnings and let everyone know yesterday to set the patterns. I would say we have a new potential cross trend line in terms of this specified and relatively new, from this level of resistance across the top, this designed resistance, and the resistance, that new line would include that recent kind of bull flag centralized formation of the rising wedge. Be prepared to operate along that line. I know there's a lot of orders in the market waiting. As you would look at your Fibonacci's, you guys know in terms of those pickups, that's where the majority of the price action, along with that support or resistance, where you always say buy at support, sell at resistance, trade your patterns, and hit your targets. This pattern was a nice trade. In terms of the RSI on the screen, let's go through it real quickly, guys. Duke won. So shout out to all the Blue Devils that are out there. Very nicely done. I went to Duke, so I had to watch the game. Turned into kind of a late night, etc. So I would just say that we will be back on stream tomorrow, most likely. I want to hang out with the VIP tonight. That's kind of what I want to do. So in terms of, I'll be in the back with the DM doing that instead of streaming. So in terms of this hit into the 30 on the RSI, real key feature, if you guys want this indicator, just type in 30 and go to Abdomi, A-B-D-O-M-I, Abdomi. Go into that 30 RSI levels, 70 and 80. Just go into this and click. I'll show you the quick feature here so that you can have this on your screen. It'll come lit up all like this, just so that you know quite aggressively. All right, you'll have this all over your screen. What you're going to do is just unclick all of these. Quick little update here. Take off everything except the 30 and the 70. Okay, 30 being oversold, 70 being overbought. Then change the top here, that 30 to area from line. That'll give you the colored area underneath of the color that you choose. Okay, so in terms of that, I just want to remind all of you as we deal with the RSI, very important to look at it either as a reversal feature or a continuation feature. All right, once you get into, let's say, hitting into the purple, that 30 on the RSI, as I just showed you, you've already started selling. Not you, but the market has. I speak to the market. The market has already started selling, right? We get into oversold, and it's a momentum indicator, so they continue to sell. We strike into oversold, right? And then the sellers continue to sell. Right, it's a momentum indicator, not necessarily a reversal indicator. It's a big difference because the majority of the market looks at it as a reversal indicator. Certain time frames, you may have to hunt which time frame might operate as a reversal. Look at the multiple hits. This is on the 30-minute, for instance, here with the hit into the oversold. Boom, sellers continue to sell. Hit. Non-reversal, sellers continue to sell. Every time it's been a continuation to sell, including this most recent hit onto the 30 on the RSI. So I think you'll find that dynamic even on the daily, on the 4-hourly, etc. So always gauge yourself. If you hit into the 30 on the RSI, it could be a great indication of a future short. That's kind of the I'd say that's just the way to be. That's VIP, guys. I want to give you a little heads up on that. On behalf of me and the VIP, the guys in the back are killing it. Great charts. Love the information. It's fun to hang out with you guys. So in terms of that, guys, I'm going to leave you with your specific let's say, framework here, to the extent that you've decided to put together something like this. I don't know. Maybe it'd be preferable. I'm probably going to show something like that in a little more detail and discuss it with the VIP in the back. This is London with Bitcoin Spike. Hope you guys had a great weekend. We will be back, with a live stream. And you guys know, former Harvard Business School, Duke University certified in markets, not financial advice. If you guys want to join the top trade group, shout out to Angel on top. What's up, brother? We'll talk to you soon, guys. 58,500 in overall contributions. We are building in 2022. We're looking forward to having you as a part of it. Only requirement is that you want to beat the market. Blue collar, white collar, you got to want to beat the market. This is London, guys, with Bitcoin Spike. Take care of yourselves. Enjoy those profits. If you hit a short, we'll talk to you soon. Hit your targets. Bye-bye.